Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix web server down 521 error. So first of all, if you are facing that error, you're going to have to check your Wi-Fi connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, switch it to your another Wi-Fi and see if it changes anything. If you are using your Chrome, switch it to your Brave browser and also type in the URL where you're having problem and see if it changes anything. Now, if it's still not working, here are some other things that you could try. Launch your browser, select three-dot icon, scroll below, select Settings. Under Settings, go for Privacy and Security. Here, select Site Settings. Scroll below, select JavaScript. Make sure the sites can use JavaScript is selected. Now come back here. Select Privacy and Security again. Go for third-party cookies this time. Select See All Site Data and Permissions. You're typing the site where you're having problem with, for example, YouTube. Then delete everything. Select Delete. As you do that, all you have to do is restart your PC. And likewise, open the same browser and type in the URL and the problem will be fixed. Thank you for watching.